Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I have been working on developing an online budget system using PHP and MySQL database. In my last video I completed all the features and functionalities related to admin's dashboard, and from this video I will start discussing developing the features of department head. So now you can see I have logged in as one of the department head, who is Jacob Holland, who is the department head of human resource department, and he has one employee in his department. Exactly same kind of design now I'm going to create in this video. Before starting this video, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and you can show me your support by clicking on subscribe button. Now let us start our discussion on designing the sidebar of department head dashboard. Okay, so we need to first go to our head sidebar PHP file. I have created a file with a name as head sidebar, and this head sidebar PHP file I need to include in my head dashboard PHP file. I had created head dashboard PHP file in my previous videos. If you guys have not seen those videos, I just recommend you guys to watch those previous videos as well. Okay, and I have to include this head sidebar PHP file in my head dashboard PHP file. As you can see here, inside 3 columns div I have included head sidebar PHP file, and here inside the head sidebar PHP file I need to first create a div with a class of sidebar list, and then an anchor tag with a class of nav item, and then I have created a span to display the department head label along with the name of the user or the department head who will logged in. And this icon field nav item, these classes belongs to Bootstrap framework. Apart from the styling of Bootstrap, I have given some inline CSS styling. Now let's save it, and when I refresh, okay, so now this is my current application which I'm working. Now I will log in as a department head. Now I'm trying to log in as Jacob, and when I click on login, now you can see it's displaying the department head label along with the name of the department head. Next I will create one more tab in that menu. Then finally I will create third link to display the label of edit link, which will allow the department head to edit their profile. Save it, and now I will refresh. Okay, now you can see another 2 menu items started displaying. I have written this jQuery code to highlight the currently selected menu item on a sidebar. Okay, let's see that. So now when I click on this employee menu item, now you can see this employees menu item is been highlighted with some slightly different color. Okay, so to give this effect I have used this jQuery code. Next I will create a section with a class of profile picture, and then I'm taking the head user ID from the session. Whenever the department head gets logged in, the details of that department head will be stored inside the session, and one of the details was head user ID, and I will take that data from the session and I will store that inside this variable. And then I will write a select query to get the image of the department head from the users table, where the users ID is equals to the users ID of the logged in user. Then if this query successfully gets executed, then I will be fetching the details of that user, which is an image. Then if user has not uploaded their profile image yet, then in that case I will display a default image. That's what this if row of image equals to null. It means that so far user has not uploaded their profile image. If user has not uploaded their profile image, in that case I will display the default image, which is this, which I have stored inside the image folder of assets. Otherwise I will fetch the image from the database and I will show that image on the web page. Save it. Now let's refresh. Okay, now you can see a default image is now displaying, because so far this Jacob Holland has not uploaded their profile and we have not done that feature as well. And next I want to display the budget as well. So to get the budget, I need to get that budget details from the users table. So for getting the budget as well, I need to write one more SQL query to which we need to pass the head user ID. And to get the budget as well, I will be taking the head user ID from the session, and I will pass that head user ID to this query. Here you can see I have used a nested query. So here there is a inner query and this one is the outer query. The result of the inner query will be given to the outer query to get the data. Here in the inner query I am selecting the department ID from the department head, where user ID equals to head user ID. Okay, so here I am getting the department ID of the logged in user whose user ID is equals to head user ID. Then this inner query will return me the department ID, and that department ID I am passing to this outer query to get the budget. Then if this query gets successfully executed, then I will be getting some rows from the MySQL database. Then I will iterate over those records. Then I will display the budget using a span element. Okay, so and I have given few styling as well, like font size, color, display margin, top font weight. Okay, so these are some additional styling properties. Next, if the admin has not allocated budget to this department head yet, then in that case I will display the budget not allocated yet message. So now let's refresh it. So now you can see now it's displaying the avatar, which is the default profile image, budget, and then few menu items like the label of the department head and the name of the department head, the employees, and then edit profile link. So this is how we can design the department head sidebar. So that's all for this video, guys. I'm sure you guys have understood how to design such kind of sidebar, and I will see you guys in my next video, where I will discuss about designing the right side part of the head dashboard. And I'm sure you guys have understood, and if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.